491 centimeters in feet? First of all, we need to know the value of 1 centimeter in feet. It's always 1 centimeter equals 0.03280839895 feet. Now we have to multiply 0.03280839895 by 491. Therefore, 491 centimeters times 0.03280839895 feet equals 16.108923884445 feet. So, in other words, 491 centimeters equals 16.108923884445 feet. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.